Japan recently experienced a 7.5 magnitude earthquake on December 8, followed by a 6.7 magnitude tremor that triggered a tsunami warning. Authorities warned of aftershocks and urged residents to stay alert. Earlier on December 10, Japan issued its first ever official megaquake warning, a top-tier alert for earthquakes of magnitude 8.0 or higher that can trigger tsunamis and widespread destruction. But do you know how Japan is able to study such high-intensity seismic activity and issue warning ahead of such earthquakes? Well, for that, we need to understand Japan's Earthquake Early Warning System. So, Japan's Earthquake Early Warning System was first introduced in 2007 and updated in 2022. It monitors seismic activity in key subduction zones, including the Japan Trench and Tsushima Trench. The system is triggered when a strong foreshock of magnitude 7.0 or higher occurs. Sensors detect the quake's intensity, location, and speed, allowing authorities to predict the likelihood of a larger main shock. Once triggered, alerts are sent through TV, radio, mobile apps, and public broadcast systems to warn residents in affected areas. The Earthquake Early Warning System therefore provides critical preparation time for residents. People are advised to secure heavy items, review evacuation routes, and gather emergency supplies such as food, water, and sanitation kits. Now, while it cannot guarantee a megaquake, the system can save lives, reduce injuries, and minimize property damage by giving hours or even days of precautionary notice. Experts call it one of the most advanced earthquake warning systems in the world. So basically, Japan sits along the Pacific Ring of Fire where tectonic plates collide, causing frequent earthquakes and tsunamis. Now, while Japan braces for aftershocks, the advisory underscores shared tectonic vulnerabilities across the Pacific and Indian Oceans. A megaquake off Japan's coast could mainly impact Japan, Russia's Far East, and Alaska's Aleutian Islands. Tsunamis could reach parts of Southeast Asia and the Indian Ocean, but for India, however, the direct risk is minimal. So, are you aware of Japan's Earthquake Early Warning System? Do comment if yes, and for more such updates, stay tuned with India TV.